Hi guys, good and welcome. We have this question from jamb 1979, question 21, where we are asked to simplify x squared plus y squared plus xy divided by x plus y minus x squared minus y squared minus xy divided by x minus y. Now, in solving this, we quickly write a solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression x squared plus y squared plus xy divided by x plus y minus x squared minus y squared minus xy divided by x minus y. Now, we take note of the fact that the denominators in both fractions, which will end up becoming our LCM, is a difference of two squares, 10. Hence, our LCM in solving this, draw a line, becomes bracket open x squared minus y squared, bracket close. Now, x squared minus y squared divided by x plus y. This leaves us with x minus y. Hence, we multiply x minus y by x squared plus y squared plus xy. So we have bracket open x minus y bracket close, bracket open x squared plus y squared plus xy bracket close minus, x squared minus y squared divided by x minus y. This leaves us with x plus y. So we'll have x plus y, x plus y, x plus y bracket close times x squared minus y squared minus xy. So our brackets open x squared minus y squared minus xy bracket close. Now, in solving this, we proceed to opening our bracket. So we have x goes on and it multiplies, bracket open x squared plus y squared plus xy bracket close, and minus y does the same. So I have minus y bracket open x squared plus y squared plus xy bracket close. Now bring our minus sign here, and we'll have a bracket open. We also see x again, multiplying, bracket open x squared minus y squared minus xy bracket close, and we'll have plus y doing the same. We'll have plus y bracket open x squared minus y squared minus xy bracket close. All brackets are closed. Draw a line. Copy out our denominator, bracket open x squared minus y squared bracket close. Now we'll proceed with our multiplication. X times x squared, we have x cubed. X times plus y squared, we have plus x y squared. Then we'll have x times plus xy, we have plus x squared y. Now minus y times x squared, we have minus x squared y, minus y times plus y squared. This gives us minus y cubed. Then we have minus y times plus xy. This gives us minus xy squared. We bring our minus sign, open our brackets here separately, and we have x times x squared. This gives us x cubed. X times minus y squared will have minus y squared x. Then we'll have x times minus xy. We have minus x squared y. All right. Next, we have plus y times x squared. We'll have plus x squared y plus y times minus y squared. We'll have minus y cube. All right. Plus y times minus xy. This gives us minus x y squared. I'll close our bracket. We copy out our denominator. Draw a line, copy out the denominator. So our bracket open, x squared minus y squared, bracket close. Now in proceeding we need to collect like terms. So we have at our numerator, let's copy out our denominator first. So we'll have brackets open, x squared minus y squared, bracket close. Now at our numerator we have x y squared plus xy squared, and we'll have minus xy squared. So plus xy squared cancels out minus x y squared. Next we have plus x square y and minus x square y. This also cancels they cancel out. Now moving to the other side of our numerator, we have minus x square y cancelling out plus x square y. We have minus x square y cancelling out plus x square y. All right. Now this leaves us with at our numerator we have x cubed. We have x cubed minus y cubed. Then our minus goes in, it multiplies in order to remove the bracket remaining at our numerator, minus times s cubed. We have minus x cubed. They have minus times minus y square x. This gives us plus y square x. Then you also have minus times minus y cube. This gives us plus y cube. Then minus times minus x y squared. This gives us plus x y squared. Now cancelling further, we have x cube cancels out minus s cube. We have a y minus y cube cancel out plus y cube, and this leaves us with plus. We have a plus y square x and plus x y squared. So our numerator ends up having 2xy squared divided by x squared minus y squared as our final answer. Thank you.